What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Python free and fast. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just open your browser and say download Python and open this first site and you will see here download Python 3.12 version. Click on this and save your installation. When you downloaded Python like me, just open it and go here run and you will see a new window. In this case, all what you need to do to install Python for Windows, you also have admin privileges. Just go here install now and wait for install process. When you install Python like me on PC, you will see this message and click here close. All what you need to do, just press Windows button and say Python and you will see app like me, just open it. And that's it all guys, how to download and install Python on PC, free, fast and easy. I see you in the next video and bye guys.